everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope you're all doing well. Allahabad बैंक ने अभी स्पेशलिस्ट ऑफिसर का रिक्रूटमेंट नोटिफिकेशन रिलीज किया है. सो देयर इज अ टोटल ऑफ 92 वैकेंसीज जो अनाउंस की है इलाहाबाद बैंक ने. इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स, व्हाट विल बी द एग्जाम पैटर्न, आपका सैलरी और एम्यूलमेंट्स क्या होगा एक्सेट्रा. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest videos for your exam preparations. So we start with the important dates. Online registration 9th of April से शुरू हो गई है. The last date to register or to apply is 29th of April 2019, and you should finish paying your application fees also by 29th of April. अभी आपका ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन यानी कि जो प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन है it will be in the month of June itself. So June you can download the call letter and the exam will also be held in the month of June. Now exact dates release नहीं की है अभी इलाहाबाद बैंक ने. जैसे ही वो रिलीज होगी हम आपको बता देंगे. Now coming to the vacancies, जैसा कि हमने बताया a total of 92 vacancies have been released and ये specialist officers के लिए है. So total 14 vacancies have been released for junior managerial grade and there are 78 vacancies जो middle managerial grade के लिए हुई है. So the various posts are security officer, civil engineer, then we have manager for fire safety, manager law, company secretary, manager IT, for network manager and security administrator, then system administrator, big data analytics के लिए financial analyst and manager towards equity and mutual fund desk. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि कौन से OBC, SC, ST, EWS, unreserved category wise यहाँ पे सारे vacancy details दिए गए हैं. Now coming to salary and emoluments, तो जैसा कि हमें पता है जूनियर मैनेजरियल ग्रेड का पे will start from 23,700 and for 7 years you will have an increment of 980 rupees and you can see year by year your increment increases till you get 42,020 rupees. And for middle managerial grade आपका pay scale starts from 31,705 rupees, then 1,145 gets added after a year and your salary becomes 32,850 and then every year आपके basic pay पे this amount will increase. Now this is exclusive, ये सिर्फ आपका basic pay है. इसके अलावा भी आपको बहुत सारे allowances और emoluments मिलेंगे जैसे कि dearness allowance या फिर house rent allowance, city compensatory allowance, medical और बहुत सारी benefits आपको मिलेगी gratuity as per the bank rules. Now coming to the exam pattern, so for security officer जो कि post number 1 है and for manager for fire safety as well as manager for law. So इन 3 posts के लिए आपका exam pattern will consist of reasoning, English language and general awareness with special reference to banking industry. आप देख सकते हैं number of questions 50 each है इनके लिए, but English language का marks is 25 whereas reasoning and general awareness का 50 marks each. इसके लिए 2 hours आपको दिया जाएगा and for the professional knowledge you will have 60 questions carrying 60 marks और 45 minutes आपको अलग से दिए जाएंगे to solve the particular section. Now for all other posts आपका exam pattern will be like this, which is reasoning, English language, quantitative aptitude and professional knowledge. तो यहाँ पे आपका general awareness नहीं है, this is for all other posts. बस वो ही एक difference है. So you have quantitative aptitude for other posts, whereas for security officer, manager for fire safety and law, you have general awareness. Now talking about the application fees for SC, ST and PWD candidates, 100 rupees your application fees. For all others it is 600 rupees. And आपका जब फर्स्ट लेवल हो जाएगा यानी कि जो ऑनलाइन एग्जाम है आपका, ऑनलाइन एग्जाम के बाद you will be called, if you clear the exam you have an interview and please note यहाँ पे आपका ऑनलाइन एग्जाम में you have negative marking. So negative marking है of 1/4 of the total marks allotted to that particular question. So जो आपका final merit list होगा that will include marks that you obtained अपने online exam में as well as your interview. That's all we have for you in this video. I hope you like the video. Share it with your friends जो specialist officers के लिए apply करना चाहते हैं at Allahabad Bank. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.